Hey everybody, how you doing? This is the Lincoln Linen Closet update. We're back at the Lincoln Rehab. When you do good work, you get called back. And what we're looking at here is we're on the bathroom on the second floor. And something really kind of odd here. We've got this very narrow, very deep, it's not a closet, it's not really a nook. It looks like more of an oops than anything else. And so this doesn't really work. As you open the door, you can't put anything there. And then really, what are you going to put from head to toe? So that doesn't work, but let's just take a quick walk out here into the hallway. And so we're going to change that little oops that's inside the bathroom, and instead of it being narrow and very deep, we're going to have room out here for a 24-inch closet that's 17 inches deep, which is going to be the perfect for some shelves. It's going to be perfect for a little linen closet. But out here, accessible, going to have a door. It's going to match everything else. It's not going to look like an oops. It's going to look professionally done. So that's what we're up to. And we've already come out here. We've done a little exploratory work. Checked to make sure this isn't a load-bearing wall. Checked to make sure we didn't have any utilities. There's no electrical. There's no plumbing. So this is going to be a straight cut door and then closet. And the only thing we got is a little bit of drywall to go inside the bathroom. We're going to block that off, and we're going to make our closet right here. So that's what we're doing in this project. And yeah, we'll get a couple pictures here for the next couple of days and show you how our progress goes. Hey everybody, this is the second update of what we're calling the Lincoln Linen Closet. And so we're in the bathroom, and then this is where that very long and narrow, well, just like an alcove, you know, they put in the shower here at one point, and then they didn't really know what to do with this space. And so they just put a long, narrow thing that really wasn't useful for anything. And so nothing to see in here other than the fact that we put a little drywall up, we blended all our molding in together, made that all look like it belongs. The real magic's out here in the hallway, because we've got our doorway in, and we did a matched doorway with the same height on each one, the same molding, the same 6-panel door frame. This one's a little bit different just because the closet's a little bit thinner, but it's close enough to match with everything else here in the hallway. And that's it. That's now a 16 by 25-inch hallway closet, and very excited to see that. We had a little bit of a trouble just kind of blending in the tile, but the homeowner had additional tile because it was a 2x3 stud wall. And you know, here's a couple quick shots of that, what that looked like when we were taking it down. We did our initial inspection of it. There was no utilities in there. It wasn't load bearing, so we cut through it, did a nice clean line to the rough opening of this split frame. It was a pre-hung door, so we put that in. It was really quick. It was really easy. These are dime a dozen at the big box store. And then yeah, we just had to put in some tile, some grout, and like I said, the homeowner had that. Still had all the paint here, so then we just had to put the drywall up on our wall between the bathroom and the closet, and then blended it all together with the moldings and everything else, and that's it. So they're planning on putting some shelves there. You can see that there is an access panel for the water utilities in the shower there, but even if it's any type of off the rack shelf, no pun intended, most of the time those shelves can come out. So if they do need to service that, they can just take out the bottom shelves and probably the whole shelf unit itself. And yes, from start to finish, it took 2.5 days to get that done. And you know, I think it's going to really be good for the homeowners. They're going to have a place to kind of put something where they didn't have anything before. So if you've got any awkward little nicks or nooks in your house, just consider maybe switch it around. Think about it and look at it differently. And that's really what they wanted to do here. Was they just said, well, let's take it out of the bathroom and put it in the hall, and then we've got a full-size closet for what it's worth. So that's it. Next renovation we have, or next update, or maybe you've got something you need, please leave a like, subscribe, and go over to the website. And if you've got a top 10 punch list that you want to get done, or you need help getting done, and I'm more than happy to come do that. So thanks for checking in. I appreciate it. Appreciate all the likes. It's the end of 2018. So let's all look to get big renovations for 2019.